You need to, see the, even who aaj અહીંયા આવી છું, I will do the discussion and I'll learn something from you. So you always open for any mentorship, any thoughts, any guidance from others. Got it? So always open. Even તમારા ફ્રેન્ડ્સ બી એવા ચૂઝ કરો જે તમારા જેવા પર્પસફુલ હોય, જે તમારા સાથે. મેં હમણાં વી ઓલ યુઝ ઇન્સ્ટા રીલ્સ. હમણાં જો સવારે કારમાં આવતા આવતા I was looking for one reel. There was one guy who's an entrepreneur and he started living in Mumbai, જ્યાં પોર્શ એરિયા હતો ને જ્યાં એકદમ rich billionaire people are living there. And when you see, even Ratan Tata also said કે હું તાજમાં 100 રૂપિયાની કે 500 રૂપિયાની ચા પીવા નતો જતો. હું જતો હતો કે કેવી રીતે લોકો બિલિયનર્સ કેવી રીતે વાત કરે છે. સો વેન યુ હેવ ધેટ પીપલ જે લોકોનું તમારા જેવું માઇન્ડસેટ હોય, you will grow automatically. So choose your friends very wisely, choose your mentor, choose your teacher. કે free છે, ask them questions. They will ready to give you all the answer, but it's just like a Sahadev. You won't ask it, they will not answer you, right? Yeah, so that's how I already told you how I started my journey. Yeah, as I said, life gives you banana, lemon, travel. They provide a kind of e-rickshaw or something, right? I really like it. That is the solution. Okay, so you see the problem and you bring the solution. That is called startup. So startup is a new soch. So startup is a soch. So if you want to start a startup, then you have to be very passionate about it. ઉઠતા બેઠતા જાગતા ઊંઘતા વોશરૂમમાં નહાતા બ્રશ કરતા કોલેજ આવતા કોલેજ જતા કોન્સ્ટન્ટ થિંકિંગ. એમ બી આપણો બ્રેન છે ને 90% ઓટોમેશન પર. ખબર છે કોને? Our brain is 90% is automation. Have you think about when you bath, you never thought about the bath. When you brush, you never thought about the brushing. From PG to college, college to PG, ઘરેથી કોઈ જગ્યાએ જવાનું હોય ડેલી, ઓટોમેટિક રાઈટ લેફ્ટ ટર્ન થઈ જ જાય. You're thinking something else. Then use that period to think something out of the box. Try to see the problem, observe, and once you got that, now you will get that trigger. That spark. This is something I want to work. And it's happening. Then you don't need team, funds, nothing. You just start an idea, be passionate about it, and everything falls apart. I mean, બધું આગળ થતું જશે. It's like connecting the dots. Okay?